Hi DIYers, I'm Rowena from the DIY team, and today we're going to be drawing something creaky, spooky and full of mystery. That's right, it's a haunted house. Let's draw one together. Let's draw our spooky haunted house together. Alright, so where to start? We're going to go to the middle of the page and go down round about here. I would say that's 3/4 of the way down the page. Now here we're going to draw a line and a V shape like this. See that? Now we're going to draw our house shape. So follow this line up. We're going to draw a bendy line like this and one line going the other way just like that. So it's a upside down V. I'm going to double that up, just like that. And that's the roof of our house. Now let's connect the house together. So we're going to draw slanted lines like this, sort of inwards, and then one line right across, just like that. Now I'm going to move on to the window. So it doesn't matter what sort of shape your window is because every house has a different window shape. But I'm going to draw mine slightly crooked, like this. And then I'm going to just draw a box shape underneath, which is the window ledge. And then I'm going to draw the panes of glass like that. There we go. And next I'm going to draw 2 lines going upwards like that. Again, doesn't matter which direction, as long as they're in that kind of direction, because again, our haunted house is wonky. Now we're going to go in with another gentle V shape, like this, with a triangular roof. Then I'm going to draw a smaller triangle one like that. I'm also going to add a small window here, like this. Now I'm going to draw some steps leading to our house. We're going to go in with a box like this, just below the door. To create the steps coming down, we're going to extend this line and draw a bigger box below it. And keep doing this however many times you want to create the illusion of the stairs going up. I'm going to do that many. Now I'm going to just draw a little detail. You don't need to do that, but you can if you want, and that's just connecting that bottom step up to the house. I'm also going to draw my doorknob on the door like that. It's just a small circle. And last of all, I'm going to draw a couple of bats just to make it extra spooky. Just like that. Alright, we're ready to colour it in and add some details at the last minute, which I'll take you through. And lastly, we're going to add some details like this, following the shape of my door. We're going to double that line up like that. And then I'm also going to drag that line down like that from the door to the base of the house. And lastly, I'm going to add in a cross in the window. All right, let's colour it in. there we have our coloured in haunted house. I'm just going to go in and tidy some bits up where I might have gone over the lines. And we're also going to just add in some details to the door. Oh, I forgot to colour the handle in. Let's just do that quickly. There we go. And there's our haunted house finished. I'd love to know which colour you did your roof. How spooky was your haunted house? Did you draw any ghosts? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more drawing videos. And head to DIY.org to access fun, creative tools, watch loads of courses on subjects, and share your creations with other like-minded kids. See you next time.